Welcome to Tech Leveler, and in this quick video I'm going to show you how to turn on SMS on your iPhone. Now some people don't want to text with only iMessage, which is indicated with the blue symbol on your Messages app. Now if you want to text with SMS, this will be indicated with the green bubble. If you don't see that, then this video is going to show you how to turn that on. So let's head over to our iPhone settings here on the home screen. Now on the iPhone settings, let's scroll all the way down until we get to the Messages app, and let's click into that. Now on the Messages app, let's scroll down to midway until we get to this section here, Send as SMS. As you can see underneath here, Send as SMS when iMessage is unavailable. Network provider messages rate may apply. So let's toggle that on. So now whenever iMessage is unavailable, it will send as an SMS. You'll know when this has happened, when it's not a blue bubble, but it's a green bubble, and this will be an SMS message. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, smash the like, smash the subscribe, and thank you for watching.